Hello everyone, let's start with our 173 question. If the mass of the sun were 10 times smaller and the universal gravitational constant were 10 times larger in magnitude, which of the following is not correct? Okay, these are the options. Raindrops will fall faster. Walking on the ground would become more difficult. Time period of a simple pendulum on the earth would decrease. And fourth option, acceleration due to gravity plus g, small g on the earth will not change. Okay, let's come to the solution part. Fourth option is correct. As we know from this, g equals to gm by r square. This is the value of gravitational. Uh, this is the value of gravitational acceleration due to gravity in terms of gravitational constant, mass, and radius. So from this equation, g depends directly on G, hence G will change. This is the first equation. But hence raindrop will fall faster and walking around will be more difficult because time period is inversely proportional to 1 upon root G. So the time will decreases. So in first option, raindrop will fall faster because of time. Same for walking on ground would become more difficult because of time. And same for period of simple pendulum on the earth would decrease. Okay. And fourth option is correct. G on earth will not change because G directly proportional to gravitation constant. Okay, thank you.